In this video, I'm going to show the quickest way to get web map data into GIS so that you can use it in your analysis. So first, open QGIS, the free and open source software package. Then we need to install two plugins. So go to Manage and Install Plugins up here. We need to go to All and search for QuickOSM. That's how we download the features from OpenStreetMap. And we also want to be able to see a base map so we can figure out where we're going to look for features. So we're going to download Quick Map Services for that. Click Install also. Once we have both of those, we can close whatever window panes pop up. Go to Web and Quick Map Services. Go to OSM and OSM Standard to view the base map of the world. I'm going to zoom into downtown San Diego here in a very specific area, let's say the old Horton Plaza. And let's just download buildings within this area that we can see right now. So to do that, we use QuickOSM, which we also just downloaded. And that appears in the Vector menu. So we go to Vector, QuickOSM, click QuickOSM right here. And I found Quick Query to be the best way to get things. You can look through this preset for all the possible types of features that you might find in the QuickOSM database. And there's a whole bunch of things there, but we're just going to look for buildings today. So if you start typing, the different keys and values will appear. Building is one of those. We're going to look for all buildings. You can search for different types if you want, but if you leave it blank, it searches for all values. And in this case, we're going to look at canvas extents. That's just the area we're looking at right now. And one thing I would do is expand in advance the timeout, because if there's a lot of features, it might take a little while. So we'll make it 90, and then we'll just say run query. And there it is. All these buildings are downloaded. We can close QuickOSM. And for just the extent we looked at, we have all these buildings now. You can look at the attribute table to find more information about them. For whatever's in the OpenStreetMap database will show up there if there's a name or anything like that. And if you want to save or export these buildings, right now they're a temporary scratch layer. You have to right-click, click on Make Permanent, and save. Let's save as an Esri shapefile here. So we'll say Horton Plaza buildings, and save that to my, we'll save it to documents for now. And now when you go to that documents directory, you'll be able to find your shapefile there. You can load it into ArcGIS or continue to use it in QGIS for further analysis.